Hello everyone. Let's learn English with Alia Bhatt.
So he has very promptly gone and done that.
Promptly means quickly or without delay. For example, she replied to the mail promptly.
Want to be the Bhatt whilst the Kapoors are traveling together. You know what I mean?
Whilst means at the same time or during. For example, he listened to the music whilst studying.
But she's this extremely naive.
Naive means lacking experience or understanding, means innocent. For example, she was too naive to realize they were lying.
Live with the character. She's created it from scratch. It's a totally original story.
From scratch is an idiom that means starting something from very beginning with no prior work or progress. For example, she built her business from scratch.
Actually, it started like break a leg na situation.
Break a leg, an idiom which is a way to wish someone good luck before a performance or an important event. For example, break a leg at your job interview tomorrow.
Reimagine me as that character was a big thing. So he had to sleep on it. So
Sleep on it is an idiom which means to take time to think about something before making a decision. For example, I am not sure about the offer. I think I'll sleep on it and will let you know tomorrow.
but there's still so much intricacy inside the eyes. Like
Intricacy means the quality of being complex or detailed. For example, the intricacy of the artwork amazed everyone who saw it.
yeah, I'm a person of high empathy.
Empathy means the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. For example, she showed empathy to her friend by listening and offering her support during difficult times.
You're still looked with like a completely different lens. Hawkeye, all of that.
Hawkeye means a sharp-eyed and keenly observant person. For example, as a detective, he was known for his hawkeye attention to detail, which helped solve many cases.
Possible. You have to also deal with certain repercussions.
Repercussions means unintended effects or consequences of something that has happened. For example, the new policy had serious repercussions on companies' profits.
Asking me, I didn't really spend and splurge and all. Like, yeah.
Splurge means to spend money on expensive things you do not really need. For example, after receiving her bonus, she decided to splurge on a designer bag.
Everything. I mean, I'm making myself seem extremely frivolous, but I'm not. Now,
Frivolous means not serious or important, lacking in seriousness or substance. For example, buying expensive things when you can't afford basic necessities is a frivolous decision.
with Salman, which never happened, which got shelved.
Shelved means to put something on hold or delay. For example, due to budget issues, the company shelved expansion plans for next year.